Hi, hello everyone. Welcome again to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share another usage of Azure Query, and we will also explore a widget called Query Tile, how we can add that and utilize it in the Azure dashboard. So let us start. So if I click on the overview, it's the same project, Agile Scrum Project 2023, and we have to define a query. So all we have to do is if I bring the mouse to the boards and click on queries, so here I already have a query defined. So if I simply open it, and this shows that this particular query named story description DESC is saved as part of shared queries. So it is saved under shared queries, and I will just click on this particular star to make it as a favorite. So now this is coming as in my favorites list. Now if I open this story description, click on the editor, so this is a simple query. So all I want is I want to understand like what all user stories are there in my board where description is not provided, so where description field is empty. So this is the query for that. I'm just using three fields. The very first field is work item type. So I have selected user story because I want a report on the user story. And the state of user story could be any, it could be new, active, either it could be closed one. And I am just the third field is description. So I want like all the user story where description is empty. So if I have already saved this query under shared query with this name, and if I run it, this is a report I am getting. And if I so here, I mean, I have not used any charts or something. Like in some other videos I have shown that how we can bring charts as well to capture the data, and those charts can be sent to the dashboard. So what we will do is we will use this query in a separate widget in a dashboard. So these are the results. So here we can see we have 7 user stories where description is empty. And if I can show that to you, if I click on this particular one, so here you can see that the description field is empty. So this is one of the user story where description is blank. Okay, so now what we have to do is again in the dashboards, we are just clicking on the dashboard, and okay, so this is our dashboard where we have a velocity widget. We have some charts which have been shown in the dashboard. So now what we will do is we will add another widget called query query tile. Okay, so what this shows is this shows the number of number of rows which has been resulted. So if I click on add and if I click on done editing, so this is our query tile. So here what we can do is we can select the same query story description, right? And if I say we can change the title stories with no description. So what happens is, this particular widget, it shows the result of that particular query which we have saved in the shared query. And what was our query? Our query was like how many? So I think it was 8, right? I mean, we can simply see like these are 8, and we can cross check. I mean, if I just change this login feature, okay. So if I say login feature, eh, if I simply saved, I have just added a description. Now, if I again run this query, so now we can see the number of rows or the result has been changed. Now, if I refresh this particular dashboard, so here instead of 8, we will see the 7. Okay, so in our board in this project, we have 7 user stories with no description. So this is how we can utilize this particular query tile if we want to bring the result of a query in the numeric format, and we want to see that how many user stories are there in our board where there is no description, how many user stories are there where there is no story points. We will explore in one of the videos. So this could be very handy. So team can, once in a while, once in a week, I mean, team can come and they can see like how this data is looking. So they can, just go ahead and click on this number and see like how many user stories are there with no description. So I hope guys you like this video, and please share and subscribe. Thank you.